Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nadi, a witch who is a root worker who loves to talk about spirituality and create black women as supernatural beings. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment so I can continue creating. So in this video, I'm going to be painting my beautiful thick legend. She is I want to say Knight of Wands. Yeah, this is the Knight of Wands, and I really love how she came out. It was really simple to do, and I'm going to show you guys how I painted her while also give you guys some tips and tricks on how to paint dark skin. And here I'm just showing you guys all the supplies I used today in this video. It'll be linked down below. So yeah, so the first thing I do when I start painting is just laying down a simple base color, and it's basically the undertone of her skin. So I want her skin to be on the warm side, so I do yellow first as like a base. Or is yellow a cool tone? Don't ask me that question, I don't know. But yeah, I lay down this yellow base, and I always do this now. Beforehand I never used to do this, and my girl's skin, like when I do dark skin, it will look kind of grayish, like lifeless. So I was like, I need to change this somehow. And when I was like paying attention to other artists and studying how they do it, some of them just add it in while they're painting the actual skin tone. Some of them paint it over it, but for me, I just do this first layer of yellow, and boom, it kind of just sets the tone for the rest of the piece. So if you guys want her skin tone on the cooler side, you can do this with like blue or purple. I don't think I've tried that. I think when I do on the cool side, I just mix it in with the skin tone. But next time I'll probably try doing the blue color first and see how that turn out. But yeah, so first things first is I lay down that yellow layer, and the second layer I do is just like a very light base layer of the skin, and then this here third layer is where I go in and darken it up and try to give it some depth. So here is how I do that. I try to make some space between certain parts, and I do recommend you guys do the wet on wet technique, which is what I'm doing right here. Is when I wet the paper first, or like go in while the paint from the first layer is still wet, and I just paint over it, and it kind of makes the piece airbrushed and doesn't really give like harsh lines if you were to do it like wet on dry. So yeah, I really like this method for blending in skin tones so I don't get like a harsh like line. For now, sometimes I'll switch it up and it'll just be like a harsh line. But yeah, so here I'm just deepening the shadows and giving her some more color to her skin, as you can see. And now here is where I do actual shadows. So what I do for her is I mix the base skin tone that I have here, and I mix it with a little bit of black, or you can use Payne's gray, and I make a darker color of her skin tone. That way it can be like the shadows, and it'll still be within the realm of her skin tone, but it's not, because it's Zorka. Do you get what I'm saying? Are you feeling me? Good, you're feeling me. And then next is the final layer, which is an overall glaze, guys. We're gonna glaze this queen. So basically I just mix like a yellow and orange color that's just like close to a regular skin color, and then I just put this color all over that base or the finished painting of her skin, and it just, you see how beautiful she look right now? Do it, guys. I'm telling you, if you do that last layer of a glaze of just like the skin color, the skin color undertone you were doing, it'll just bring it all together. It just makes it harmonious, and she looks so good, and she's giving me, you know, thick ass queen. That's what she's giving me, okay? So yeah, that's kind of my tips on drawing dark skin. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, like, you know, doing different skin tones, just let me know, because I can do that for you, okay? I can do that. So right now I'm just doing her bodysuit, which honestly I snapped on it. Like, she looks so good. I wish I can draw myself. Like I can just, if I had the superpower of drawing like real life, like in real life, how I draw my characters, do you know how bad I would like enhance myself? Like I would be so much more enhanced than I already am, and that's just like crazy. That would be so amazing. But enough about that. So here I just wanted to do very light yellow monochromatic thing that I got going on with her outfit. So I just like deepened the second layer that I'm doing. I deepened the orange and added a little bit of yellow, or actually reverse that. I deepened the yellow by adding a little bit of orange, and you can see like it got some shadow to it, it got some depth to it. And then her hair is just like a very curly blonde, well, yeah, it's curly kinky. It's on that scale. Very little beautiful blonde bush that I really love. It's really simple to create this piece, and I really love the outcome of how she came out. But yeah, doing this piece was actually the final painting of my 78 card tarot deck painting. No, deck. I'm a little bit high, y'all, just bear with me. Tarot card deck. This was the last painting, and guys, I'm officially finished with it, so it's going to go in production very soon and should be shipped out February, early March. I am so happy and grateful that this is finally done and finished. Like after months of burnout, after taking breaks so I won't like completely abandon the project, I am officially done. Like it's such an amazing feeling. Like January 2020 is already amazing, and I'm so happy for you guys. So yeah, if you guys would still like to buy pre-orders of this deck, the link will be down below in the description box. After tomorrow, the price will be going up to $45, simply because it's going to start going into production soon, so it's time to raise those prices. Right now it's priced at $30, so I would definitely head on over if you want it at that price. But otherwise, yeah, that's it, guys. Now I'm just doing the line work for this gorgeous queen, and that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see from me. I have a couple planned out for the month of January, and you know what, I'm kind of excited for it. I'm kind of happy that I stuck with this, you know, once a week schedule, because it's very easy for me to do it, and I'm very confident that I'm just going to keep at it. Like I just feel so confident right now, like clarity, confident, all that. Like this eclipse, these eclipses, these back-to-back eclipses, they got your girl right, they got your girl correct. So I'm ready to get it in this year. This year is my year. I can't wait. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I almost forgot to tell you guys that I will be posting every single painting I did of the tarot cards over on my Patreon. So if you guys would like to see all the cards that's going to be in the deck besides the few that I show on my site, definitely become a patron down below. The link will be down below to, you know, hit me up over there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed her once again. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. It truly means the world to me. If you guys would like to see more from me, make sure to become a patron over my Patreon. You'll gain access to so many exclusive rewards your mind will like blow. Also, make sure to stop by my shop where I sell these gorgeous prints, these gorgeous stickers, apparel, merchandise, and so much more. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I want you guys to have a beautiful, abundant day. See you next time, babes.